अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। अल्लाह पाक आप सबको अपने हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे और हम सबको शर शैतान से महफूज फरमाए और मुल्क पाकिस्तान की खैर फरमाए। जो लोग मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं और अगर उन्होंने मेरा चैनल तालीमी राब्ता सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो वो मेरे चैनल को अभी जल्द से जल्द सब्सक्राइब कर ले और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करे ताकि मेरी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो से आप मुस्तफीद हो सकें। तो टाइम वेस्ट किए बगैर चलते अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। लेकिन मेरी आज की ये वीडियो फिजिक्स के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड है, जिसमें मैं टॉप 135 एमसीक्यूज बताऊंगा और यही एमसीक्यूज इंशाल्लाह 2022 फिजिक्स के एग्जाम्स में आएंगे। तो मेरी वीडियो को आपने शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक देखना है। किसी भी एमसीक्यूज में अगर आपको समझ ना आए तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं और ये सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज हैं। तो टाइम वेस्ट किए बगैर चलते हैं अपनी वीडियो की तरफ। तो पहला एमसीक्यूज है द फोटो कंडक्टर यूज्ड इन फोटो कॉपियर इज। 2 है, ब्राइटनेस बहुत तेज की है मैंने, आंखों में पड़ रही है। इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स इज मैक्सिमम व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड intensity is at dash to the plane of the object. Which field can be shielded? 1 eV is equal to the value of Coulomb's constant depends upon the change of potential with respect to distance is equal to the unit of electric intensity is the unit of capacitance is energy stored in a 2F capacitor having potential difference of 2V across its plates is. During charging the capacitor, time constant defines the time required to deposit dash times Q naught. Silver and dash are the best conductors. A single black color represents dash ohm of resistance. In gases, the charge carries of electric current is R. Kirchhoff's first rule is the law of conservation of. The value of the resistance depends upon dash of the conductor. The material with negative temperature coefficient is R. The tolerance for silver band is about. If a resistor is traversed in the direction of current, the change in potential is, which is the most economical and accurate device to measure voltage. In any circuit, EMF is always dash then to the terminal potential difference. Magnetic force on a moving charged particle is perpendicular to the dash. The unit of magnetic field strength is. 2 parallel wires carrying current in the same direction dash each other. The magnetic force is simply a dash force. The EM of a neutron is. If the number of turns become double but length remains same, then B in solenoid becomes 1 Tesla is equal to. For an electron, EM is given by. The unit of magnetic flux is. If an electron is accelerated through a potential difference V, it will acquire energy. The brightness of spot on CRO screen is controlled by. The relation for maximum value of deflecting couple is given by. Resistance of a voltmeter should be dash as compared to the resistance across with one is connected. The galvanometer can be made sensitive by making the father band C. Torque on a current carrying coil is given by grid in cathode ray oscilloscope control dash of electrons. Sensitivity of a galvanometer can be increased by decreasing dash. CRO works by deflecting a beam of an aviometer is also called when a small resistance is connected parallel to the galvanometer. Then result is if the motor is overloaded, then the magnitude of back EMF is Lenz's law and Kirchhoff's second law is in accordance with the law of conversion of when the back EMF is in the circuit is zero, it draws dash current. Which of the following is not present in AC generator? Energy stored in an inductor is given by an ideal transformer does not change dash level. An inductor may store energy in its dash. The self-induction is given by commutator was invented in. The working principle of transformer is alternating current and voltage are in phase in. The phase angle at positive peak is the sum of positive and negative peak values is called the power factor of RL series circuit is. In Pakistan, the frequency of AC supply is at higher frequency of AC source. In RC series circuit current dash voltage, the power factor for RLC series circuit is unit of impedance is which is more efficient to travel around obstacles. The Young modulus of water is in Pascal. Zirconia is dash solid. The Curie temperature for iron is about. Energy band theory is based on which theory? The ratio of potential barriers of Ge to Si at room temperature is. Curie temperature of iron is. Which type of impurity is to be added to a pure semiconductor crystal to provide holes? The Young modulus of steel is. Which one is pentavalent impurity? Which one is not a ferromagnetic substance? SI unit of current gain is. For rectification, we use find the gain of inverting amplifier of external resistance R1 is equal to 10K, R2 is 10K ohm. A PN junction cannot be used as transistors are made from. A diode characteristics curve is plotted between dash and current. The open loop gain of the amplifier is order of. LED are made from semiconductors. The thickness of base in a transistor is of the order of. Which factor does not affect the conductivity of PN junction diode? Time dilation is applicable to dash process. Earth is approximately an dash frame of reference. In Navstar navigation system, the location of an object can be predicted to about dash. Platinum wire becomes white at dash. The value of Wien's constant is. The value of Planck's constant is. The value of Stephan constant is. Which photon has maximum energy quanta? Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in potassium cathode in photocell emit electrons for a light. In Compton scattering, the Compton shift delta gamma rays will be equal to common wavelength if maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends upon dash of incident light. A position is in anti-particular of the momentum of the moving phaeton is the factor of Compton equation has the dimension of which light phaeton has the least momentum. Number of electrons emitted in photoelectric effect depends upon dash of incident light. The rest mass of an electron is X-rays can be. X-rays will show the phenomenon of dash effect. For holography, we use a beam of which of the following series of H spectrum lies in ultraviolet region. Production of X-rays can be regarded as the inverse of atomic spectra are the example of dash spectra. A particle having 2e charge falls through a potential of 5V. Energy acquired by its dash. The radius of atom is of the order of lifetime of matter. Stable state is energy of the fourth orbit in a hydrogen atom is Balmer series lies in dash region. The total energy of electron in the state N of hydrogen atom is when a nucleus emits an alpha particle, its atomic mass decreases by the number of protons in any atoms are always equal to the number of alpha particle carries a change. The number of isotopes of cesiums are which particle has larger range in air? The charge on beta particle is which of the following have no charge? Neutron was discovered in 1932 by the binding energy per nucleon for iron is typical source of beta particle is a pair of quark and antiquark makes extremely penetrating particles are which one belongs to leptons group? Mass of meson is strong nuclear force acts on which one is used to study the circulation of blood. 2 down and 1 up quarks make a proton consists of quarks which are Higgs boson was discovered in the moderator used in nuclear reactor is subatomic particles are classified into dash groups. Exchange particles of electroweak force are carriers of electromagnetic forces are which of the following belongs to leptons? Exchange particles of basic forces of nature are. तो स्टूडेंट ये थे हमारे आज के टॉप 135 एमसीक्यूज। इंशाल्लाह मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस पे होगी जिसमें मैं फिजिक्स सेकंड ईयर के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बताऊंगा और इंशाल्लाह यही जो चीजें मैं आपको एज ए गेस्ट बता रहा हूँ इंशाल्लाह यही चीजें पेपर में रिपीट होंगी। आप लोगों ने वीडियो को शुरू से लेकर आखिर तक देखना है। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियोस को लाइक शेयर्स करें, कमेंट्स करें। अगर आपको किसी चीज की समझ नहीं आती तो आप कमेंट्स करके पूछ सकते हैं। दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज, टेक केयर।